Hi there, and welcome to Fluent English Story Vault. Get ready to listen closely. Repeat with confidence. Focus on every word. One day, you'll speak English fluently. Let's get started. Hello, I'm Judy. I love nice smells. Perfume is part of who I am. A good perfume makes me feel confident. Today, I want to find a new perfume. Last week, my old perfume finished. I always use the same brand. But now, I want to try something new, something fresh, something different. I go to a perfume store. A shop assistant smiles and says, "Hello, can I help you?" I say, "Yes, please. I want a fresh perfume. I don't like very sweet smells, and strong perfumes give me a headache." She asks, "Do you wear perfume every day?" I say, "Yes. I wear it when I go to work and when I go out." She says, "That's great. We have some new perfumes this week." She asks, "What kind of smell do you like? Floral, fruity, woody, or fresh?" I think for a moment. Then I say, "Maybe something light, fresh, and clean." She gives me the first bottle. This perfume smells like lemon and mint. It's very fresh and cool, but it's a little too strong for me. So I say no. Then she gives me another bottle. This one smells like orange blossom and white jasmine. It's a soft and calm floral scent. Nice, but not the one for me. She smiles and gives me one more bottle. It smells like rose and sandalwood. A warm and relaxing scent. I like it, but I want to try one more. Finally, I try one last perfume. It smells fresh and clean. It reminds me of the air after rain. Soft and peaceful. I smile and say, "This is the one I was looking for." She asks, "Do you want a small bottle or a big one?" I say, "I'll start with a small one." When I go to pay, she asks, "Are you a member of our customer club?" I say, "No." She says, "If you join, you get a discount." I sign up and get a discount. Then I leave the shop with a happy feeling. Today, I didn't just buy a perfume. I found a new experience. I feel light and happy because I learned that the right choice comes from listening to my feelings. Some smells speak louder than words. What kind of perfume do you like? Floral, woody, or citrus?